Welcome to the United Kingdom with bustling cities, charming sleepy villages and rich heritage. The United Kingdom has a unique identity. The United Kingdom comprises for historic countries England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland, tons of ancient places, including Stonehenge, Bath and York, plenty of awe-inspiring natural spaces like the Lake District Cotswolds and Yorkshire Dales, and fascinating cities like London, Edinburgh and Cardiff are scattered almost everywhere in the United Kingdom. Number 27, Seven Sisters. Country Park is located in the East Sussex and South East England. At the point where the South Downs meet the sea, the park comprises about 280 hectares of chalk. Cliffs, open chalk grasslands and meandering river valleys, it is a part of the beautiful South Downs National Park. The park is home to unique geology, rare species of fauna and flora, grazing sheep and large varieties of migratory birds. The iconic Coast Guard cottage, beautiful shipwrecks, Cookmere Haven and the amazing Seven Sisters Cliffs walk to Burling Gap make it an epic travel destination in the country. Number 26, Cambridge City. With its world-famous universities, Cambridge owns some of the world-class historical building than anywhere else in England. The city lies on the River Camp in eastern side of England. Despite its beautiful medieval outlook, it is a modern town with lots of fun activities, including large variety of top-notch cultural events throughout the year. King's College in Chapel Queens, College, Cambridge University, Botanical Garden, Great St Mary's Church, Trinity College, the Fitzwilliam Museum and Anglesey Abbey are some of the top attractions in the city. Number 25, Windsor Castle. Windsor Castle is a royal residence located in Windsor, Berkshire, in the United Kingdom. This amazing castle embodies a millennium of architectural history. The original castle was built by William the Conqueror in the 11th century. Windsor Castle is the longest occupied palace in Europe and has been used by the reigning monarch. The ground area of the castle covers about 52,609 square meters. It was the favorite weekend home of Queen Elizabeth II. Number 24, Rye. Rye is a charming town, located in the Rother district in East Sussex. Vibrant floral booms, proud historical buildings, beautiful cobblestone streets, and enchanting surroundings help to double the beauty of the village. The scenic town is steeped in history. You can explore Old Town Rye bird watching at Rye Harbour, Nature Reserve, visit Rye Castle and Museum, admire the splendid view from the famous parish church of St Mary, Snap World, famous Mermaid Street, surf at Camber Sounds, walk through the Land Gate, arch famous hike to Camber Castle, and visit Bodiam Castle to fill your vacation with memories. Number 23, Loch Lomond and Trossachs National Park. Scotland's first national park lies at the place where the Highlands meet Lowlands. Loch Lomond lies at the heart of the park. It is considered the biggest loch in the whole of Britain. The national park offers a diverse array of wildlife and geography, including 21 Scottish mountains, 22 lochs, 2 forest parks, and a few dozen of special nature conservation sites. Travellers can spend the day in a small village, go for a cruise tour, walk through widely open, lush landscapes. Number 22, Cheddar Gorge. Cheddar Gorge boasts limestone cliffs and subterranean stalactite show coves as well as it reveals interesting secrets about the prehistorical ancestors. The Cheddar Gorge tour will be an unforgettable adventurous day out. For the tourist, it is located in the Mendip Hills, close to the village of Cheddar in Somerset, England. Highlights of the Cheddar Gorge include the largest show, Cave of Goff's Cave, Cox's Cave, Jacob S. Ladder, and a prehistorical museum. It is a perfect mix of nature, wildlife, history, and adventure. Number 21, Cardiff. The beautiful capital of Wales is one of the perfect places to start exploring the mesmerizing country. Cardiff has long been a historical masterpiece with its well-preserved historical monument and many dozens of castles. Splendid Cardiff Castle Tour. Victorian Arcades Tour. Visit vibrant Cardiff Fair. Welsh Historical Tour. Outdoor activities in Roth Park. Cardiff's Pretway churches are some of the most famous things in the country. Foreign Bath is one of the most attractive cities in England. Bath got its name due to 2,000 years old Roman baths. The city is located in the Avon Valley in the county of Somerset and a sandwich between the Mendip Hills and the Cotswolds. The well-preserved archaeological city is well known for honey-colour-coded Georgian-style houses. Wales was designated as a World Heritage Site in 1987. Wales is full of spectacular architectural masterpieces, its beautiful gardens and parks, dozens of museums, world-famous markets, international festivals and entertainment venues, so you can soak up the history while enjoying festive fun. Number 20, the Shropshire Hills is an area of outstanding natural beauty located in the county of Shropshire in England. It is known for its picturesque landscapes, rolling hills, and charming villages. The Shropshire Hills cover an area of approximately 802 square kilometres, 310 square miles, in the western part of Shropshire, a county in the West Midlands region of England. The region is characterised by a mixture of hills, valleys, woodlands, and farmland. The landscape of the Shropshire Hills is dominated by several hill ranges, including the Longmynd, the Stiper Stones, and the Clee Hills. These hills offer excellent opportunities for hiking, walking, and outdoor activities. The highest point in the area is Brown Clee Hill, which stands at 540 metres, 1,772 feet above sea level. The Shropshire Hills are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. The hills are known for their heathlands, meadows, and ancient woodlands. Wildlife in the area includes red kites, buzzards, peregrine falcons, and various species of butterflies and wildflowers. Number 19, St. Ives, often referred to simply as St. Ives, is a picturesque seaside town located in Cornwall, England. It is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, artistic heritage, and vibrant cultural scene. The town's coastal location is one of its major attractions. The rugged coastline, sandy beaches, and clear blue waters make it a popular destination for beachgoers, surfers, and nature enthusiasts. Porthmeor Beach is particularly famous for its surfing opportunities. Number 18, Devon, is a county located in the southwestern part of England, United Kingdom. It is known for its diverse landscapes, historic towns and cities, stunning coastlines, and natural beauty. Devon is the fourth largest county in England and covers an area of approximately 6,700 square kilometres, 2,590 square miles. It is bordered by Cornwall to the west, Dorset to the east, and Somerset to the northeast. To the south, it has a coastline along the English Channel and the Celtic Sea. Number 17, York, is a historic city located in North Yorkshire, England. It is renowned for its rich history, well-preserved medieval architecture, and vibrant cultural scene. York has a history that spans over 2,000 years. It was founded by the Romans in AD 71 as Eboracum and was an important fortress and administrative center during Roman rule. Later, it became a major Viking settlement known as Jorvik during the Viking Age. York played a significant role in medieval England and was a center of trade, religion, and governance. London is the capital city of the United Kingdom and one of the world's most iconic and influential cities. It is known for its rich history, diverse culture, impressive architecture, and vibrant art scene. London has a long and storied history that dates back over 2 millennia. It was founded by the Romans in AD 43 as Londinium and served as a major trading and administrative center in Roman Britain. Throughout its history, it has been the capital of England and later the United Kingdom. London is home to world-class museums and cultural institutions, including the British Museum, the Victoria and Albert Museum, V&A, the National Gallery, and the Tate Modern. The West End is famous for its theatre scene, with productions in renowned venues like the Royal Opera House and the National Theatre,